Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled red onions. First, you'll need one large red onion, thinly sliced. The key to great pickled onions is a balanced brine, so we'll combine apple cider vinegar, water, salt, and a touch of sugar. This simple mixture creates that perfect tangy sweet flavor you're looking for. It's a super easy way to elevate many dishes. To prepare the brine, combine 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. You can also add a few peppercorns or a bay leaf for extra depth. Do not boil the mixture, just warm it through.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your brine is ready, carefully pack the thinly sliced red onions into a clean, heat-proof glass jar. Make sure to really press them down. Then, pour the warm brine over the onions, ensuring they are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly with a lid. Let it cool on the counter for a few minutes, then transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. While your pickled red onions are ready to enjoy in just 30 minutes, their flavor truly develops and mellows after a few hours, or even better, overnight. These vibrant, tangy onions can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. They are fantastic on everything from tacos and salads to sandwiches and avocado toast, adding a bright, zesty kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.